We're about to start. This is the first set of question record 611 of 2024. And to begin with, it's section A. This section comprises of MCQs of 1 marks each. And the first question says there is a function map from R plus, and R plus is a set of all non-negative numbers. So this is our X, that is the input, and the output will be the all real numbers. So this function is mapped like this. So the first set has set of all real numbers which are positive, and it has all real numbers including the positive and the negative. So we have to prove that we have to check whether it's 1 1, or we have to check it for 1 1 and on 2. So let's check it for 1 1. And to check it for 1 1, let's say x1 and x2 belongs to R plus. So x1 and x2 belongs to R plus, and let's say fx1 be the image of x1 and fx2 be the image of x2. So these two are different, and we will now prove that we will equate them, and we will, after equating them, we will also prove that these two are not two different but the same numbers. So let's say f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So this is the image of x1 that is equal to x2. So image of x1 is equal to image of x2. Now f of x1 is given in the function. F of x is 4x. So this is 4x plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. We are left with 4x1 is equal to 4x2. So 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So x1 is equal to x2. So that means then when we consider the two different images as one, then these are not two different, but this is also one. So that means for every input, there is a unique output. So we can say that f is 1, 1. Okay, for onto, our function is f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. F of x means output, which is y. So 4x plus 3. Okay, let's get x from here. So x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. And let's say, so x are all, this is x and this is y. So x are all positive numbers. So I'm going to put x. So and y are all real numbers. So let me take y as -1. So let's say for y is equal to -1, let's find out the value of x. So y is -1 and it belongs to the codomain. So this is the codomain, and -1. We have all real numbers here, so -1 belongs to R. So let's try to find out its pre-image, that is x. So y is -1 minus 3 by 4. So this is equal to -4 by 4, which is equal to -1. So for y is -1, x is -1, but x does not belongs to R plus. So that means for y belongs to -1, which further belongs to the real number, there is no x that belongs to R plus, such that f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. So that means we have -1. For -1, there is no pre-image in this. So this one is left, all this -1 is left. And because one condition is false, so that means f is not onto. So f is 1, 1, but not onto. That is, we have option A. Our correct option is option A. Let's move on to the second one.